front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the device's keyboard on this smartphone. You need to start by opening device's settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Finally, click on Theme section, scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going back into the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!